A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human behavior, the transformative power within. Ladies and gentlemen, human behavior is the silent force shaping existence, defining relationships, progress and personal fulfillment. It is not merely an action but a response, an intricate interplay of thoughts, emotions, external stimuli and deeply embedded patterns. Every decision, reaction and interaction stems from an internal framework sculpted by genetics, experiences and social influences. When understood and consciously directed, behavior becomes the greatest tool for transformation. Behavior is a manifestation of the mind's perceptions, molded by neurological architecture, biochemical states, past experiences and environmental triggers. It is a dynamic outcome of multiple forces: age, health, emotions, upbringing, cultural context and real-time circumstances. Every movement presents choices, and within these choices lies the potential for profound change. The way reality is interpreted defines reactions. Situations, words, and events are filtered through individual perspectives shaped by prior conditioning. While external triggers may ignite emotions, the response remains within the realm of conscious control. Recognizing this fundamental truth paves the way for mastering one's own behavior. The impact of behavior extends beyond the self, influencing surroundings, relationships and life trajectories. Negative actions often rebound with the greatest harm inflicted upon the one enacting them. Conversely, positive behavior rooted in kindness, patience and self-awareness initiates cycles of constructive change, shaping both personal and collective well-being. A shift in attitude is preceded by a shift in behavior. The science of positive psychology underscores the power of deliberate actions in fostering emotional resilience. Simple yet profound principles being prompt, prepared, positive, productive and polite cultivate an environment conducive to growth. Thought patterns shape reality, and by refining actions, the mind too transforms. The path of self-discipline serves as the foundation of positive change. Ancient wisdom emphasizes the concept of yagna, action performed with sincerity, devoid of selfish intent, dedicated to the greater good. It is through mindful, selfless conduct that transformation occurs, both within and beyond. What's the way forward? Harnessing The transformative power of behavior requires conscious practice, cultivating self-awareness, regulating emotions, and choosing responses over reactions lay the groundwork for positive change. The Bhagavad Gita imparts invaluable lessons. Humility fosters understanding, forgiveness liberates, patience strengthens, and emotional balance paves the way to wisdom. Growth is not merely about external achievements, but the mastery of self. By directing behavior with intention, life itself transforms, radiating change outward, influencing generations, and shaping a world driven by wisdom and harmony. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the essence of transformation lies in the ability to transcend instinctive reactions and cultivate conscious action. Every moment of existence offers an opportunity to elevate thought, refine behavior, and carve a destiny that aligns with higher purpose. The journey of mastery is not in overpowering external forces, but in conquering the self, the greatest battle of all. True strength arises not from dominion over others, but from unwavering discipline and the grace to act with wisdom. In this vast interplay of existence, human behavior is both the cause and the effect. To shape a world of harmony, progress, and enlightenment, the refinement of one's conduct becomes the foremost duty. As the ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu declared, and quote, "Your thoughts become your worlds. Your worlds become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your character. And your character becomes your destiny." Unquote. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.